Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome all my viewers and my subscribers. And today guys, we're gonna make cocoa bread. So over here I have 4 cups of flour. I sieve it already. I have my butter here, my coconut milk here, my yeast, and a little salt. So I'm gonna melt my butter first, and then I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, so now my butter is finished melting. I have it over here cooling down. I'm gonna cut my coconut milk and measure 2 cups. If this don't hold 2 cups, I'm gonna add a little water to it to make it up. And I want my cocoa bread to be rich. So I'm just gonna... And guys, you don't have to add coconut milk if you don't want to. They say that's where cocoa bread gets its name, from coconut milk. So that's why I'm adding my coconut milk. You can do that new cutter. Yeah, it will give me 2 cups. I think it's perfect for 2 cups. My glasses. So guys, I'm just gonna rinse out the can and push it up to the 2 cups. Okay. Alright, now it's on 2 cups. So I have all my ingredients here now. So I have my yeast, my salt and my sugar, my 2 cups of milk and my melted butter. So now I'm going to add my yeast first. Then I'm going to add my salt. And I'm going to add my sugar. And guys, tell me if this is the way you make your cocoa bread. That's how I saw they used to make it at the restaurant where I used to work. So guys, I'm going to rinse my hand again and come right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna mix it up with my hands. You wash your hands and you mix it up. I even tried it last week before I make sure I made the video, and it came out very nice last week. Guys, this was so many years now I didn't make any, so I make sure I run a small video. I make a sample here last week, and I give some of my subscribers to eat, and they say it was good, so I could do the video now. So I'm doing it now. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my melted butter. So now I'm gonna start adding my milk little by little. Okay. You can blend your coconut and make your natural coconut milk too. But now because yesterday I was trying to get to the store before it closed and I didn't get to go, and it's cold outside today, so I'm not going back out there. That's why I'm using the canned coconut milk. Very cold today. And guys, you can eat cocoa bread with patty. You can have patty home. Or you can eat it with cheese. It's very nice with cheese. One of my subscribers tell me I must make meatloaf next time. So now I'm gonna get it on the counter. I'm gonna give the counter a second wipe, and then I'm gonna get it on the counter. Okay guys, I'm flouring my counter. Not much. I'm gonna put out my dough. And I'm gonna knead it a little bit that it gets smooth and nice. Guys, I'm gonna put it to rest for maybe an hour to 45 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna use a little coconut oil to oil my basin. I love using coconut oil. I'm gonna let this rest, and I'm gonna get right back to you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm put on all my plastic on it. I'm gonna let it stay in a dark place and rise, and I'll get right back to you when it's full the pan. Okay guys, now I'm gonna rest it in my oven. Inside here is very dark, so I'm gonna put it there and let it get to rest. So I'm just gonna rest it there, and I'll get right back to you when it's ready. Okay guys, so I hid my stuff in the oven in a dark place. So now I'm gonna see it get bigger. It rise up a little bit. Ooh. Oh, it's gone. See? So guys, I'm gonna get it on my counter. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more flour. Start kneading it again. Okay guys, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more flour because I'm gonna start cutting my stuff, my dough. I'm gonna start cutting my dough. I'm gonna make them in a little ball now, guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start making my cocoa bread. You're gonna roll your dough in a square. Guys, you're gonna fold the cocoa bread like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter inside. I'm gonna fold it like this. I'm gonna put another little butter again. I'm gonna fold it like this. I'm gonna take your finger and poke 3 holes. I'm gonna put it in my baking tin over here. I already buttered it already, so I'm gonna put it here. Okay guys, I almost finished. My cocoa bread is almost finished making. You can put whatsoever butter you like. I just put this one because this is the one I bake with all the time. And when you butter it, it's gonna come out nice, very nice and soft. You don't have to poke a hole if you don't want to. I just do it because back home they do that. Some people, not everybody. So you don't have to poke a hole. You can just leave it like that. So guys, in 15 minutes, I'm gonna let them rise for 15 minutes. And I'll get right back to you guys. I'm just gonna give them 15 minutes. So I give them space. This one start rising already. So I just give them some space. So I'll get right back to you guys after 15 minutes. Okay guys, so now my cocoa bread, they rise. So I'm gonna get the oven ready. It's still not reheat the oven. It's still not finished heating yet. So maybe in the next 2 minutes I'm gonna put them in the oven. And I'm gonna bake them between 18 and 20 minutes, okay? So guys, as soon as I'm gonna put them in the oven, I'll let you see them again. See, the first one it rise up a lot, but they still look good. This one too, they're still looking good. I think I still have the touch of making cocoa bread. Okay guys, so see you as soon as the oven is ready. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put my cocoa bread in the oven. As you can see, they rise, and I'm gonna put them in there for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so I'll come back to you in 18 to 20 minutes time. Okay guys, so now my 20 minutes is up and my cocoa breads are looking good. Very, very good. So now guys, I'm gonna put some butter on them. Guys, I still have the touch of making cocoa bread. Still looking good. Over almost 6 years. Before the pandemic I made them. I never made them again. Still have the touch, so I'm gonna put on my little butter on them right now. And guys, you can have it with cheese, you can have it with anything you want. Patty and cocoa bread. If you buy the patty in the West Indian store, you can put one inside and eat. Cocoa bread is good with anything. You can put sliced cheese too. If you don't have Jamaican cheese, you can put sliced cheese.
You can eat it with saltfish.
Yeah, you can fry up saltfish too. And put in your bully beef, whatever you have, sardine, whatever you have, guys. You can enjoy your cocoa bread. I'm gonna have one of them hot right now. As I finish, I'm gonna have one hot one before it get cold. I remember I used to eat in my Masrani. Yeah, my house is smelling like Masrani bakery shop right now with the cocoa bread. Anybody who's from Lucy would know, or Hanover. Masrani used to make cocoa bread. It's 11 o'clock. You can 10:30, 11. You can start smell the place. Smell of cocoa bread. That's how my house is smelling right now. Like Masrani cocoa bread, my Masrani bakery. Oh, this one swelled up a little bit big, but it's okay. It's a long time I've made them, so still have the touch. Okay guys, so now my cocoa breads are all ready.
You can open it and show.
I'm gonna open one. You gonna eat one too? I think I'm gonna eat this little fat one here. And guys, see inside? Woo! You remember how inside of a cocoa bread look? Look, if it look like this one. I'm gonna add a little butter to it. I'm gonna eat this one right now before I go outside. Okay guys, I'm gonna eat this just now. My sister, you don't want one to eat too? Yeah? You want this nice one here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little butter inside too. So guys, we're gonna drop it in a paper bag. We gotta go outside and come back. So we'll see you guys when we get back. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And if you're new here, welcome also guys. Thank you my old and new subscribers. Welcome guys. And God bless you and see you on our next video guys. So see you soon.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
God bless.
God bless you guys.